I just purchased this Lanmu battery adapter for my 12-volt battery pack from a Dewalt to power my TS100, and just want to show you there. It's 12 volt, 18 volt, 20. Even in the description, Dewalt original 12 volt, 20 max. But you get it in the mail. This is what you get. It says for Dewalt 18 to 21 volt. Manual, or this is not even really a manual, kind of like a description sheet or data sheet. Also says 18 to 21. Side of the battery pack, 18 to 21. Here is my Dewalt battery pack. Plug that thing in. Does like some diagnostics. Looks like it's probably under voltage, so it gives me some kind of error message. We do not get a voltage reading. That is normal. Battery in the port. Show you this is how this is supposed to work. And there's the TS100. Dead, nothing. To my knowledge, it's supposed to just come on. Nothing. I just don't think it's compatible with 12 volt. I think it's false advertising. Well, I'll send an email to the tech support, maybe send them this video and see what they say.